So since a fall from the waist down could kill her, we're going to sit at the table as we handle Betty. Hi, Betty. What you doing? What you doing, Betty? What you doing? Look how pretty she is. Isn't she pretty? Hi. Oh, hi, hi. Maybe we set the camera here for a second. There she goes. There goes Betty. Hi, Betty. Dangerous spiders. I love you so much. I love you. She's stuck. She's stuck. I gotcha. I gotcha. Betty. There she is. I gotcha. There she is. There's Betty. I know. Alright, let's put this down for a second. Let me get Betty in a better position. Come here, baby. See her fangs? They're right between her two front legs, and they're really big. Hi, Betty. I love you. She is so gentle and so tame and so unafraid of me. Isn't she wonderful? I love you so much. Do you know that? I think you do. I think you do. I'm right here. Yes, I am. I'm right here with you. You're such a good girl. You are such a good girl. You are such a good girl. I just rub her butt. She likes that. Okay, you ready to go back to bed? You ready? We're going to go back to bed. We're going to be very careful, because she's very delicate. She's very delicate. I love you. I love you so much. I love you. I'll hold her. I'm going to come over here. Ready? Come on, honey. You ready? I love you. Gotcha. You okay? She likes to be held by me. She is kind of funny. Well, I don't let anyone else hold her because they could, accidentally freak out if something went wrong and hurt her, and you can see she's very delicate. But she, didn't you want to go back? There was someone that she absolutely refused to allow hold her. It was a guest. And oddly enough, they turned out to be a very bad person. Hey, don't you want to go back? Don't you? Hey, little lady, do you want to go back to your bed? It's funny, she usually will crawl right down. She's enjoying this. Okay. Okay. Want to go back to bed? Go to your house? Alright. Well, let's do this. Let's get Betty. She's... Come on, baby. And I sit down. Okay, come on. There you go. You got it. You got it. I know. I love you too.